Hi, this is week 6 already, and we are kind of asked to discuss classroom management implementation this week for our assignment. After reading, the five types of social powers, I decided that I think in teaching, it's definitely more than one of the powers that they talked about. Legitimate power, I feel, plays a little bit of a role. Many times it's police or kings, but I feel like in a school setting it can absolutely be either the principal or, in a classroom setting, of course, the teacher. I think students automatically look to them as a superior and know that they should at least behave and listen to their direction. Referent power, ultimately, because a lot of times students just want to be like you. They want to mimic you. Informal power is having the knowledge to teach someone to think in a different way. I think that really comes into teaching students, especially because you can really expand their bubble that they live in. Every single person comes from a different life, and to be able to explore that a little bit and give each student a little piece of that, I think is really exciting. Now, to kind of revert to the beginning of our question, we were kind of asked to discuss what we learned in this semester just about management and behavior problems. First thing, how to prevent them. I think I learned definitely a few things, but almost being proactive on everything, really, making the rules very clear, letting the students know the consequences before it happens. I do it with my daughter a lot, and it's been working amazingly. I tell her that she can listen to music while she does her schoolwork, and as long as she completes all of her schoolwork and it's not an issue, she continues to do it, and it has gotten her. She does all of her schoolwork on her own now, and she's 8 in 3rd grade, so she comes to me only if she has a problem. It's not the constant, what do I do next? So it's very interesting how I'm using it completely in my own life. Discussing the expected procedures, too, is another thing. Just what is expected in daily routine, going to the bathroom, that kind of stuff, handing in paperwork. And then a few key strategies for me would be posting a few clear, short rules in a very conspicuous spot on a wall, near the door, or something like that. Creating a reward system within my classroom. There's so many options out there, but something like a sticker chart. And then really not acknowledging bad behavior was a significant thing that I learned and have found very interesting to implement. It's true, it definitely does work. So, I definitely learned a ton about classroom management and my own children management, to be perfectly honest. So, thank you again for everything from this class. I've gotten a lot out of it. We'll see you soon.